The inspector's job is to collect data and throw their interpretation against the code standard or spec. Yeah. The inspector's job is not to decide what to do with those assets or those components, right? It's black or white as well as you can within the code standards or specs to make a judgment call. Mm-hmm. And then fundamentally, it's up to engineering, or it's up to the manufacturer, it's up to the client, or it's up to someone like EXO that's going to come in with all of our expertise and say, here's where we believe you should spend money. Here's where we believe that defect should be dealt with, right? And try to prioritize those.
The remediation solution.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it goes well beyond just the inspection. The inspection is just the data collection piece. You have to get that right, so you know where to focus your time and effort. But that piece, I think a lot of folks get confused about, that the inspector should tell me what to do. Yeah. No, the inspector is telling you what you're finding, and then ultimately from there, it's a conversation with usually engineering or clients to understand, is it something that's critical or not.
Yeah. Now, there are some cases where the inspector can assist in telling, how can we solve this problem? What would it take for it to be able to meet those code standards and specifications? We see this a lot when it comes to analyzing WPSs and procedures. What would it take to get this WPS, this weld procedure specification, in line with the needs of the code? And we often help along those lines with the customer.